0.60 initiated. Maintain.
The air quality readings here meet the stringent regulatory standards we discussed.
We need to document this parameter immediately.
Quality control complete. All systems meet stringent standards. Operational readiness achieved.
The critical operational parameters are stable, but we must review the environmental requirements for Phase 2.
Hydraulic pressure looks good.
Torque settings adjusted and secured. Emergency stop verified. We are ready to proceed.
Ore body characterization analysis, demonstrating meticulous preparation procedures,
Meticulous preparation ensures we meet all stringent standards.
Condition-based monitoring confirms complete operational readiness across the site.
Beginning primary ascent sequence. Monitor hydraulics on the holographic.
Pressure levels stable.
Engaging TBM sequence 397.15. Check tolerances.
Tolerance is nominal. Sequence authorized.
Ensure these tolerances meet the advanced quality specifications. Ventilation system activated.
Ensure compliance with the international regulatory framework.
Verified against the 397.17 specifications, Commander. We have full readiness.
Review the schematics carefully. We must adhere to the stringent standards.
All system running within parameters. See the readout?
Affirmative. Operational sequence 397.21 looks good.
Primary operational sequence utilizes sophisticated systems and extensively trained personnel.
Flotation levels are optimal. Look at the separation metrics.
Purity is holding above.
The gravity separators are running at optimal capacity. Consistency is exceptional.
Magnetic flux is optimized across all drums.
Consistency levels are well within specification.
Approved.
Smelting sequence 397.31 initiated. Consistent flow detected.
Confirmed. Shuttle car transport system engaged. Quality parameters nominal.
We need a precise adjustment on the leaching flow for VAT3, increased by 5%.
Adjusting the flow now, Supervisor. Maintaining consistency.
Real-time data confirms green light. Initiating rotary sequence.
Hoisting systems engaged.
Systems check complete. Hydraulics green.
All clear for activation. Engaging continuous mine.
Charge sequence initiated. All parameters green.
Confirmed.
3, 2, 1, detonation. The throughput on the primary crusher is exceeding projections by 15%.
Primary operational sequence showing extensively trained Hispanic male personnel and sophisticated systems executing flotation mineral separation utilizing grinding ball mills.
The leaching parameters are stable and meeting the 397.49 precision target.
Ensure the feed rate is consistent with the quality specifications.
Confirmed. All parameters are within the operational excellence framework. The systems are executing the hydrometallurgical refining with exceptional precision.
The sophisticated systems are executing the dewatering process with exceptional precision.
Hauling sequence initiated. Load secure.
Acknowledged. Trajectory clear.
Consistence check on Sector Gamma.
Verified. Flow rate steady at 98%.
The robotic arm has completed the valve adjustment. Status is green.
Excellent precision. I am logging the sequence.
Whole sequence 397.60 initiated. Maintain pressure at 80 bar.
Roger that. 80 bar steady.
The integration phase is stable, but we have an automated alert on platform 397.61. Acknowledged.
Implementing safety stewardship.
Control systems integration phase meticulously implemented automation, displaying sophisticated continuous process
The inflow rate spiked, but the system compensated automatically.
Yes, the variance stayed well within the control limits. Quality remains consistent.
Meticulously implementing ground movement monitoring networks with comprehensive real-time monitoring capabilities and automated alert management.
We have an alert on Sector Gamma, pressure flux.
Acknowledged. Running diagnostic 39766.
Control systems integration phase meticulously implementing emergency communication networks, exhibiting sophisticated real-time data analytics.
Automated alert. Environmental compliance achieved.
meticulously implementing methane detection networks, detailing sufficient hazard prevention protocols with comprehensive anything.
By integrating the seismic data here, our predictive models anticipate maintenance needs.
Control systems integration phase meticulously implementing personnel tracking safety systems, visualizing sophisticated condition-based.
Version 397.74 is fully integrated. Look at the stability metrics.
The real-time optimization is exceeding projections by 15%.
Check the grade monitor. Spike detected.
Running diagnostics. Automated protocols confirmed. Stability is restored.
The sample has failed. Document the peak stress immediately.
The peak is recorded at 350 µ, consistent with the...
We have completed the rigorous ground stability assessment procedures.
All documentation is complete. We can authorize continued operations.
Comprehensive testing procedures conducting rigorous ventilation airflow measurement testing, utilizing continuous process optimization with certified instrumentation.
Rigorous dust concentration measurement testing, utilizing risk mitigation strategies with certified instrumentation.
The results are clear. The charge performed exactly as modeled. Understood. I am authorizing the release based on these.
The digital monitoring systems show full structural integrity. The certified instrumentation readings are consistent with our validated methods.
The rigorous analysis confirms stability. All safety improvement initiatives are implemented.
Excellent.
Maintaining superior operational standards while maximizing efficiency and environmental protection before authorizing continued operations or product release.
All readings are within the compliance standards.
Confirmed. The stability metrics look good.
Comprehensive testing procedures, conducting rigorous acid mine drainage testing analysis, utilizing hazard
Comprehensive testing procedures, conducting rigorous environmental impact monitoring analysis, utilizing condition-based monitoring with certified...
The reclamation effectiveness assessment is complete.
Validated methodologies confirmed, all standards traceable.
Good. Authorizing product release.
Comprehensive testing procedures, conducting rigorous ore-grade assay laboratory analysis, utilizing precision engineering protocols with certified instrumentation.
Analytics platform shows the ground support protocols are clear. Integrated management system confirms continuous...
Airflow and quality metrics are holding steady at peak efficiency.
Superior operational standards achieved.
current data. The current wear assessment shows we are within the upper control limit.
I'm cross-referencing that now.
The predictive model confirms stability.
Operational management phase, implementing conveyor belt inspection, utilizing advanced analytics platforms and risk mitigation strategies globally.
The advanced analytics platforms confirm 100% compliance across all storage units. The integrated management system is working flawlessly.
Execute Level 3 response protocols.
Confirmed. Initiating digital monitoring sequence.
System stable, compliance verified. Drill complete.
This phase focuses on utilizing the real-time data analytics for personnel training.
It maximizes efficiency.
As per Protocol 397.99, we've maximized efficiency this cycle. Note the continuous quality improvement.
The production tracking analysis shows we've exceeded targets while maintaining compliance.
The integrated systems are maximum. The cost per ton optimization is holding steady at 15% below target, Dr. Ramirez.
Excellent. And the safety protocols?
Fully integrated, 0 incidents this quarter.
The data clearly shows a 15% gain in efficiency. This is directly attributable to the predictive maintenance framework we implemented last quarter.
The data confirms continuous quality improvement across all shifts.
And the safety metrics are exceptional.
The analytics predict a 30% efficiency gain.
Excellent. Push the update global.
Innovation Development Laboratory, actively researching and systematically developing transformative next-generation teleremote equipment operation technology.
Farxis. We are systematically developed transformative next-generation drone-based surveying systems. The real-time analysis confirms a 98% recovery rate on the copper.
And the energy consumption is well below projection.
Innovation Development Laboratory, actively researching and systematically developing transformative next-generation in-pit crushing conveying systems, incorporating safety stewardship and sustainable resource management.
The deployment is proceeding smoothly.
Data confirms optimal performance parameters.
The energy flow stabilization is exceeding projections.
Yes, the modular array is fully optimized for the mining application now.
The automated inspection sequence is complete. Cross-reference the scan data with the schematics.
Confirmed. The tolerances are perfect.
The network stabilized after the parameter adjustment.
And the compliance metrics are holding steady across all regions.
We can optimize the drilling sequence here using the digital twin interface.
Rerouting the autonomous vehicles now. The latency is almost negligible.
Ensure safety protocols are engaged. Now, carefully detach from a specialized tool.
Utilize the comprehensive analytics platform to optimize the decision frameworks.
Sequence initiated.
Utilizing the comprehensive analytics platform, we optimize the global strategy.
Confirmed.
This comprehensive analytic platform is effectively managing the workforce strategies.
Yes, it ensures sustained competitive advantages in these dynamic markets.
The analytics platform shows sustained advantage.
Excellent. Execute the optimization framework immediately.
Our analysis indicates significant cost optimization here.
Reviewing the safety parameters. Looks consistent. Proceed with the framework update. The comprehensive analytics platform allows us to monitor global commodity prices in real time.
And the decision for implementing collision avoidance radar systems, presenting sophisticated digital monitoring with comprehensive real-time capabilities and automated alert management.
Based on the comprehensive analytics, our strategic operations are optimizing the global markets. This advanced operational facility reveals a complete integrated ecosystem.
Excellent pre-shift check, gentlemen. Keep up the safety protocols as we move this unit.